रियल माद्रिदाक खेळिल्लो 30 वर्सांचो विंगर मिंगवेल पालांकाक भारतात खेळपाचें आव्हान आनी FC गोवात मॅन्युएल लांजारोटेन पोरू केल्ले ते प्रमाण कामगिरी करपाक पेजात उर्बा आसा अशें ताणें पत्रकारांक उलोवन दाखयलें.
Look, it's nice, very nice championship. Ferran, Coro, he told me that the stadiums are very good. The fans is so close to the team and so nice play in this country. And for me, I think it's also a big challenge to play in another country and to show the best. I know the work that Lanzarote he made here. I know that he made very good things. He scored many goals and assists, and this is the best. No, when you are attacking player, you want this. Enjoy with ball, make assists, make goals, and this is what I want also. No, I want to enjoy with the ball, enjoy in the every training and in every match, and of course I want to score goals. I want to assist. But the thing that I have in my head is training by training, match by match, work, give everything, and for sure the things goal and assist for sure they will come.
गोंयांत FC गोवाक पयलेच खेप खेळपाक वेर्णेचो लॅनी रॉड्रिगीस उमेदीन आसा.
Because most of the players are local players and we are very much all together, and playing against the home team is always a motivational force for me. Last season I played Bangalore FC. The same way this coach is also doing his strategy, and I'm enjoying.
सेनेगलचो पेजात लांब रून डिफेंडर मुर्तदा पॉल पयलेच खेप FC गोवाचे ट्रेनिंगात रुजू जाला. हेड कोच सर्जिओ लोबेरा अजून पावूंक नाशिल्ल्यान एसिस्टंट कोच जीजस तातो ट्रेनिंगात मार्गदर्शन करता. प्रुडंटा खातीर खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळकार.